I finished my Summer Breeze shawl, and here it is before I'm blocking. You can see the top is rolled, it's pretty small, and so I'm going to wet block it to really stretch it out, and I just soak it in some cold water with a mild soap. There's like soak and wool wash or things like that, and then roll it up in a towel and squeeze it really nice and lay it flat. And then you can see just how beautifully those stitches open up and how it just grows exponentially. And the top of the shawl is laying flat now, and it is not rolling, it's not curling up on itself anymore. It's much bigger, as you can see from before. And so this is only a one skein project, and it is very nice and beautiful. You can wear it as a scarf like this. The stitches are always fun to look at. And I do hope that you'll give it a try and visit industrialwhimsy.net and download the pattern for the Summer Breeze Shawl.